Hi guys, hope you are all well. Today I'd like to talk to you. My message is very short and clear. My message is all about success. It's all about how you can make it in life to become the successful one. Everybody is having a dream out there. Everybody is dreaming to be successful. The dream of everybody is to be successful. No one dreamed about becoming a thief. No one dreamed about becoming a bank robber. But we all dream to be successful. Well, in a legal way, not illegally so, whereby one is committing crime. But now, how do you make it in life to become a successful one properly through accumulation and acquiring of education? Now, that is where we need to question the purpose of education. That is where we need to question what is the role the education is playing in our life. So, while you are still thinking of all those sorts of things, but I'm gonna give you an answer now. Education builds you to become an intelligent man. Education builds you to become a well-sellable product out there. You become a sellable product because of education. You become a very wanted person, not by cops, but by companies to employ you because of education. So education is something that you need to start taking it seriously. Make sure you perform well in your academics. Do as much as you can to make sure that you pass very well. Pass and make sure you study hard. After passing, that is not the end of journey. You need to make sure that you also invest some time surfing the net, apply the jobs, search for what you want to become. You studied to become an IT guy. An IT guy needs to now start searching a job for an IT qualification. If you study to be a safety manager, mining companies and construction companies, they are there for you to employ you. But now, they can't employ you without knowing who you are from where. You need to draft a CV. You need to apply. You need to send your CV out there to sell yourself. Remember, now you are a product. The CV is serving as a representative that it's selling you out there. But the things that now we need to consider also behind the success, every successful man had to do with a planning. There is an ideal phase before planning. Ideal phase is where you think of who you want to be. Who do you want to be actually? What career do you want to pursue? And then after identifying all that, now you know who you want to be and you know what career you want to pursue. You start planning. Think of planning the stuff that you need to do daily to become the person you identify yourself that you want to be, the person you are dreaming to become, the person you are dreaming to actually become. You are the one who want to be that person. That person you said that you want to be in an ideal phase. Now you want to make it happen that you become the very same person as you planned it. So in the planning phase, put all stuff that you need to do during the day, put stuff that you need to do weekly, put stuff that you need to do hourly, put stuff that you need to do in every month to make sure that you become the person who you want to become. Start thinking of that. Put your plan down, it will work for you. And make sure that you don't just plan. It doesn't end there. You need to put the plan down, but the actions comes behind. The action need to follow. You need to implement what you plan. You need to do exactly. If you said that per day, you need to at least submit your CV to one company, or you need to at least study new stuff or do some research about what the companies they are doing out there. You make sure you stick to a schedule. It will help you a lot. You'll become professional, and in terms of time management, you will become a brilliant. They will call you a master one day. They will respect you one day. Majority of those who now are laughing you, they will respect you and they will come to you seeking for advices. So listen to me carefully. Make sure that you become the person who you want to be. It's all in you. You have got all power. God created you with all this strength, power, energy. You can do all. Nothing is impossible. You are the very key that it's needed to unlock all doors of success. The key is you. There is no need to go to ShopRite or Pick n Pay or any key shop that they are selling keys to say that I want to buy a key to unlock the door of success. You are the key. Whoever you are, you might be wearing some stuff that today they are sold in a very less price. But let me tell you that you are worthy a lot than the clothes you are wearing. You are more expensive than who you are today. The way you are today, it's not by your choice, but it's nature dictates. At some certain level, we need to learn life in a hard way. We need to go through some certain stages, actually, in order to end up becoming a successful man we are dreaming to become. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all in you. The choice is yours. You can make it happen. Put a plan down. Put action on the plan. Make sure that the plan that you drafted, you implement it according to the schedule, according to how you planned it. Implement your plan. You will see. You will become the best among the best. Thank you for listening. Take it forward. It's up to you guys. Enjoy life, you all. Thank you. Bye.